Yes, it's bright, sunny Monday morning here in India right now, and I bring to you Monday morning message on this Holi. Firstly, Holi is a beautiful festival in India, the festival of colors, where we celebrate life with its vibrance. People go out and play with a bunch of colors, and it's really a beautiful celebration. But this Monday morning, I bring a message along with Holi. What is that? You see, just like colors, different colors, red, blue, green, etc., make Holi very beautiful, worth celebrating, and that's what people find a lot of joy out of. Colorfulness of the festival and of this day. Likewise, what makes our life enriched and colorful? I really believe it's the conversations we have with people and the variety of conversations we have with people. The different kinds of conversations make our life colorful in different ways. But oftentimes I notice we tend to stick around with only the people that are like us, right? Birds of the same feather flock together. That's what happens to us, right? We try to stick around with people that look like us, that are kind of the same age, that have the same socioeconomic background, that have the same political beliefs. In general, that's what we tend to do. But I feel that restricts from adding a bunch of colors and perspectives into our life that makes our life enriched. You know, this has been a conscious effort in my life, and I've learned so much from people who are absolutely diametrically opposite to me. It's because they add a totally new perspective, totally new color to life. And I really encourage everyone to do the same and take that spirit of Holi into our lives, into our conversations. Let me tell you a cool story that I heard from somebody. This is not fact checked, but pretty much accurate from the person I heard it from. And here's the story. This was a big toothpaste company, one of those multinational toothpaste companies, and they were in a board meeting. They were trying to think, how should we increase our sales? How do we enhance more sales of our toothpaste? And they went through the boardroom and they couldn't come up with ideas. But a small security guard who had a small job in the company was inside the boardroom, and he picked up his hand and he said, "Sir, may I say something?" And everybody was shocked. They were like, "Okay, do you have an opinion on how we can increase our sales?" And the security guard said, "Yes, sir. We can increase our toothpaste sales by increasing the width of the mouth of the toothpaste. So when people take the toothpaste, if we just increase the width of the mouth, we can enhance our sales." And they thought it was a very unique idea. And that's what they did. The next year, they had millions of dollars more in profit just by using that simple idea without investing more budget in marketing or sales. By increasing the width of the toothpaste so that people were consuming it more, and over a year it paid in millions. And that's why I say we should encourage perspectives from all sorts of people, because you don't know what we can learn. I'm not saying that we have to include them in an inner circle, but it's fantastic if you're riding in a taxi, if you're taking an Uber, to just start and strike a conversation with somebody who has a different worldview from you and different than what we typically do in our lives. I think that's how we can carry the spirit of Holi in our lives and enhance and benefit a lot from it. Much love. I'm glad to see you guys. I'll see you next Monday morning live for our Monday morning message. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you very much, and a happy Holi to you.